Hey girl, listen, when I tell you this is going to be a juicy, fabulous, flawless install, girl, I am not playing with the girls at all. Girl, listen, when I tell you this wig has all the bells and whistles, girl, it is the wig of the year. Like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying it, but this is the wig of the year, honey. And mind you, like, we just got into 2022. Like, it's February. So, girl, let's get into it. Let's talk about it. So, before we jump into it, this wig is from Divas Lace Wig. This is their 180% density lace frontal wig. So, let's talk about it. Right, so before we even get into the install, let's talk about this lace, honey. So this is an upgraded realistic hairline. This lace is on a fine invisible HD Swiss lace. The knots on this wig has been bleached. It's also an upgraded bleached knot process. So it's called the camo knot. So basically it's like a step up from the traditional bleached knots lace frontal wig. Also, this wig is a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and the color on this wig is a transparent lace. So girl, like I said, this wig is giving all the bells and whistles. Like, if you have been on the market for a supernatural, no skills needed type of wig, girl, this is a whole vibe, and this is a wig that you need. So yeah, Divas Lace Wig absolutely did not come to play with the girls at all, like, period. So anyways, let's get into this hairline. Let me style this hairline so you girls can see exactly what this hairline is working with, baby, because, ooh, it's the hairline for me. loving the baby hairs on this wig, and like I don't even know if y'all caught it, but the baby hairs was swooping into the hairline so good and so smooth. I'm like, yes, come through, wig, come through, honey. Loving this look. So anyways, I decided to style this wig two different ways because I didn't know if I wanted to keep the hair straight, which I absolutely love the straight texture. But then I was like, I want to throw some curls in the hair. So girl, me being me, I just decided to do both, and I'm just absolutely in love with this wig. So here is a video clip of how the wig looks without being flat ironed, because I just like this texture better. To me, it's just, I mean, it doesn't need a flat iron. I love the fullness and the touch of the hair. I did not want to disrupt this texture by adding a flat iron. Yes, so this is definitely an upgraded lace wig. Like, look how smooth the hairline blends into the lace. Look how thin the lace is. Like, this wig is super flat. The texture is beyond gorgeous. Like, this is definitely my top 5 wigs starting off, you know, in 2022. Like, for real, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. So yeah, next I'm going to add some curls to the hair because, like I said, I couldn't decide on if I wanted to do straight hair or curly. So I was like, girl, you know what, let's just do it both. So yeah, either way is a vibe. I love the texture. Super cute wig. Definitely something you want to invest your money in. I can honestly see and feel the difference with this wig having all the bells and whistles compared to some of the wigs I have styled in the past that just only has a transparent lace and the pre-bleach knots. Like, this lace has everything in one wig. So all the tea will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching. Bye.